I'm sure you can tell from that video that something ain't right. As you could hear, it sounds a little loud. And something's missing. Oh wait, what's that? Ain't that nice? So now I get to re-weld that all back up. And that was on my way to work too. So they did this muffler delete. I mean, I get it. It's a Duramax, you want to hear it. It's like it was flux cord. It didn't hold up at all. Looks like it's been doing it for a while, I just didn't hear it. So I guess I'm going to grind all this stuff down and get underneath here and weld it. Hopefully it holds on. I'm just going to get new exhaust too. This is a temp fix. I'm just going to put a 5-inch exhaust on it. Get me an MBRP 5-inch all the way back, no muffler. If you're going to do any welding on your vehicles, first thing you want to do is unhook your batteries. You don't want to short out any electrical systems because welding will do that. Fun thing about diesels, you got 2 batteries to unhook. Now I have to take that welder, which I didn't put on a cart, and that tank, which I didn't put on a cart, and take it over there. Just so I can weld that. It's my first own personal garage, so I don't think I'm doing too bad for what I've got in here. My MIG, my TIG. I have no idea how to TIG, by the way. I just bought it to have it, so I'll be learning as I go with it. This would have been a good opportunity to use the TIG, but only got 1 gas tank, and it's for the MIG. I need to get 100% argon for the TIG. That's 2 big bottles, and pretty much broke me buying that one. I messed up the first time. I got a small bottle for that. Welded 1 small thing, and then I forgot to shut the tank off overnight, and it all leaked out. So I spent like $375 the first time. Wasted it all. And when I went back, they didn't have any of those small tanks to exchange, so I went up to the big tank, which cost me another $500. Won't make that mistake again. I'm gonna buy my own tank next time. Pretty decent setup. So it turns out the metal on the exhaust wasn't in as good a shape as I thought it was. It's pretty rough. Welding it the whole time, it kept burning through. I had the welder turned down basically almost as far as it would go, and I was still burning through. So it's pretty boogered up now, but it'll hold. I hate doing this on the ground. I wish I would have done this at the shop on the rack where I could get up and stand underneath of it and see, but down here the drive shaft's in the way, the frame's in the way, the floor, I don't have much room. I'll show you what I mean. It's just crap. No matter what, I could not get anything. The one good weld I started to get, crust, I don't even know what kind of pipe they use to weld through, but just needs new exhaust. As you can see, this it's right in my face, and I couldn't really see up here. Oh well. Like I said, this is just temporary until I get the new exhaust. Now I got to hook the batteries back up and see how it sounds. Hopefully better than it did. Moment of truth. do. Good enough for me. Look at the amount of room I got here. Until next time. Probably tomorrow with this thing.